a first for Frisco to replace aging pipes.
We're just pushing the new pipe through the old pipe.
It's called pipe bursting.
Pipe bursting is basically a trenchless technology where they connect pipe and they run it through existing pipe. As it hammers it through, it busts the old pipe and the new pipe is the new existing one.
Frisco Public Works is using this pipe replacement method in an older neighborhood near Preston Road and Main Street. The sewer pipe being replaced was installed in the early 70s, original to the development.
So the overall age of the pipe need to be replaced. Something that we run into often with sewer and with the clay pipe is like root intrusion. Roots grow into them and starts creating blockages.
The new plastic pipe is 8 inches in diameter, and it's being pushed through 6-inch wide clay pipe.
This is what they are running through the old pipe, basically pipe bursting it. The new pipe is very flexible. They're able to churn it into the manholes. It's more flexible than the existing clay pipe that was there.
Crews will replace sections at a time.
So we chose this method instead of having to digging up a whole long section and placing pipe. We use this one because it is less invasive. It doesn't affect the citizens as much as digging up a bigger trench, which saves time.
The work is happening during the workday to cause the least impact to homeowners.
Pipe bursting goes fairly quickly. Once they get that done, they connect the service lines for the homeowners to the new main that's in place.
The lifetime of the new pipe is 50 to 100 years.
This is one of the first projects that we've used the pipe bursting technology. So we have more projects scheduled to start. We plan to use it for water lines in the future.